Get ready on the count of 3, 2, 1, start. When I was in your shop on the parade, I saw a different type of tire tube. I should like to buy 4 or 5 of them for my car. I think you will enjoy our show if you can come to see it. I wish you to make out a check for the boiler and get it off tonight by air mail. Our failure to do what they wish may annoy them, but how can we do what they ask? The village was a mile beyond the mouth of the V. Do you know when Roy and Dina are going to Cuba? I know the boy would like to go with them. Why was the charge put on my March bill? Do you know when the ship may leave? It will go out with the tide at 5. How far do you have to go? Do you wish to come with me? You should write your name in ink at the bottom of the form.